My name is Jennifer McKinney. I work as a quality engineer for ADDMAN. So all of our customers have different quality requirements that they communicate to us through POs and such. Really what our job is to make sure that we're meeting all of those requirements.
The way the system works is we start with a sales order. Our customer will place a PO with us. We'll put that purchase order into our system, and then the system will break that down and say, okay, to make this happen, you need to build these parts at this schedule. And then once that is loaded, then that says, well, to build those parts, you have to have this material, these fasteners, this paint, this everything by this time to make it happen. We look at those reports, we get the material on order, and we get it into house, we check it, we get it onto the shop floor, make the job travelers, basically cradle to grave from the time that we get the sales order from the customer to the time we ship the part. We control everything in that process.
Everything that we do has a report associated with it. We go through, verify the raw material, the dimensional tolerancing for our parts that we manufacture, as well as any of our outside processors. We verify that everything they're doing is per the customer requirements. We take the customer requirements given to us in various forms, such as the PO, the parts list, the drawings, any specific documents they've decided to add with that part. And we take all of that and compile them into one document. We call this an FAI, or a first article inspection. This is done the first time we manufacture most of our parts. So we take that, and all of that information goes into this. So any programs we use to machine the parts goes into that document. Any programs we use to measure the parts goes into that document as well. All of the processes that this material goes through, so whether that be heat treat before we begin machining, or any chemical anodize, paints, primers, anything like that after, we do reports on those.
The processing certs, so all the certs for the raw material, the fasteners, the chemical processing, everything that made that part has to be collected, controlled, documented, and reported to our customer.